I've been looking at different rustic bird feeders and bird baths, and I figured using Dollar Tree products, I could probably make a tabletop and hanging bird feeder for just a few dollars. Okay, I'm starting out with this stainless steel dog bowl and a little cardinal that I picked up at Dollar General, and I'm going to spray paint in with this rustoleum textured paint in the color Desert Bisque to paint these. And I'm only going to paint the outside because inside here I'm going to put the wild bird food, and I don't want any of the paint to somehow chip off and the birds to eat it. So I just want the outside to be coated in the textured paint, and then I'm going to glue my bird to look like it's perching on the side. I thought I was filming when I initially started to spray the bowl and the bird, but I wasn't. But here I am trying to finish a second coat and get good coverage on the bird and cover up most of the red that's on the breast and the tail. This spray paint is really thick and it has this texture, like a sand-like rough texture. So it takes it a while to dry. This cake pan I want to be a hanging bird feeder, and I'm going to use this chain. So I'm going to attempt to use this nail to hammer in a couple of holes that I can use to hook the chain through. And then I'm going to attach it to my wooden fence. I'm going to use autumn brown textured rustoleum for the hanging planter and bird. And I had a small garden gnome I found at Dollar Tree that I wanted to spray in each color as well. Gorilla Clear Grip glue added for a long-lasting hold. Okay, and with the sticker from the bottom of the pet bowl removed so that it'll be able to be glued to the pillar candle holder easier, I go ahead and add more Gorilla Glue and start to assemble this tabletop bird feeder. This is all dry. The bird. I'm going to attach this and then glue my bird onto here. I did add a third hole so that the other chain could be added. That was really bonehead move to only put 2 holes, but now all 3 are there and this will hang better. Looks great, and hopefully some of the birds will come and partake in the seeds. I did add a bit of hot glue to help with the short-term hold while the Gorilla Glue fully set. The wild bird food was added. These turned out really well. I love the way this textured paint looks like stone. I plan to alternate between using the bird seed and adding water so these can be used as bird baths. Very happy with all of these projects, but let me know, what do you think of these?